Welcome back everyone to the Collector Channel. Today I'll be opening up 4 boxes of hockey cards. These are authentic memorabilia. These 2 red boxes are the autograph edition, and these ones are going to have 1 memorabilia card plus 3 hockey packs in them. So yeah, we'll be opening up 4 of these today. Let's start out with the red box first. So it looks like 1 autograph card plus 4 hockey packs in here. So we got Zach Hamill rookie autograph card there. And our 4 packs. Let's check out the packs we have. We have O-Pee-Chee 2016-17. This is 2003-2004 pack. And we have these 2 packs. We'll open up this score pack first. This is 2012-2013. Let's flip them around. So not much in that pack. This is the Upper Deck 2016-17 Series 1 hockey pack. Still not much in that pack. We're going to still go through these, and it's still fun opening these. These are all different years, so you don't really know exactly what you'll get. We opened up some basketball packs before, and we're getting like some late 80s packs all the way up to current packs. That's kind of a cool card. Set that one aside. And that's just a thicker card right there, redemption offer. And now for our last pack, O-Pee-Chee 2016-17. These are kind of cool because they have like the older card feel to them, like the 80s or 70s and 80s kind of feel. Cool, okay, so 1 box down, 3 to go. We'll open up this one next. And actually this one's a basketball box. So we have 2 hockey, 1 basketball. I didn't even notice that. So that's cool. We'll open up this next. This will kind of mix things up a little bit too by getting basketball on here. Cool, so this is in an envelope, our special card, and it should be a memorabilia card plus 3 packs. So we got a jumbo pack here. We'll open up this envelope after we open up these 3 packs. So we have NBA hoops right here. It's a little bit older pack because Durant is with Oklahoma. These cards are a bit bent, corners are rounded. This is 2013-14. And now for our huge jumbo pack. Tim Duncan, Paul Pierce, Blake Griffin. So we're getting some pretty big names so far in this. No autographs or memorabilia cards in here yet, but still fun to see all the different players. Getting a bunch of rookies in a row there. Kevin Garnett, LeBron James. So as far as star power, this is a pretty good pack. Ray Allen. Tristan Thompson. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what's in here now. This is our memorabilia card. Cool, we got Kevin Garnett. That's really cool. And I actually think we did open this same card, or very similar to this card, in another video. But still cool to have doubles of Kevin Garnett. Can't complain there. Okay, so now back to our hockey boxes. We have these two. Since we haven't opened up one of these yet, we'll open this up first and then this box last. I'll set that over there. Okay, we'll save the envelope for later. And our 3 packs. So these are pretty cool packs here. Let's open up this Upper Deck pack first. This is from 2015-16. Alright, so yeah, not a whole lot in those packs. We'll set these aside. Alright, that's a cool card. That's our memorabilia card. Looks like a piece of jersey. And we'll set this aside. We'll put all of our autograph and memorabilia cards together, that way I can show everyone again at the end of this video. Alright, now for our last box here. We have the 4 packs here to open. So while opening these packs in these boxes, has anyone ever gotten like an autograph or memorabilia card? I know there's the one in each box separate, but like actually in a pack, I'm curious to see if anyone else has gotten anything like that. Okay, so that's like a spacer there. Now this is the Upper Deck MVP Hockey Pack 2015-16. This is our last pack. And now for our autograph cards. So this should be an autograph card in here. Cool. Yeah, unfortunately the corner is a bit beat up on the card here. Maybe I can kind of not. So it's like a little bit of a indent or crease there, but still a cool card of a Minnesota Wild hockey player. So this is a pretty high number, 999. This is 755 out of 999. SP Authentic card. Cool. Alright, now for our autographs that we got in these boxes right here. So that's our autograph jersey card, our memorabilia card, and our other one. So that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.